How to dislike videos on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So for doing that, we just have to go on our TikTok app. Then from here you have to make sure that you are on your For You page. So go to home, and then here if you dislike a video, go and click on the share icon, and then from here you have to click not interested, or you can just hold down on the TikTok video and then click again on not interested, and you can click on hide videos from this user or hide videos with this sound. So in this way you will let TikTok know that you don't like this type of video, and you will no longer see them on your For You page. So this is how you can dislike a video on TikTok. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.